action.
Hello, my name is Will Hook, and today I'll be talking to you about the effects of climate change on coral reefs. So as you can see, climate change can be seen in the fact that we have a warming ocean, sea levels are rising, a change in sediment patterns, which can be seen through the weather, altered ocean currents, and ocean acidification. And I'll be talking about all of this to y'all today. But essentially what this means is that pollution is causing damage to our ocean ecosystems. So what is a coral reef and how is it important to us? A coral reef is a place that supports life in the ocean, and it is important to our ecosystem because it allows to support life in and out of the ocean. Now, one of the biggest effects of ocean acidification comes from coral bleaching. Coral bleaching can be seen in this picture right here. As you see, this coral reef is obviously white where it is supposed to be this brownish, reddish color. And essentially this just is due to all of the pollution and by-waste products from humans that are going into the ocean that should not be. This is affecting fish that go into these reefs. They lose their camouflage, and they cannot use it as a source of a home or hiding. Now, what causes ocean acidification? And part of this can be seen through the water cycle. If you look in here, the water is evaporating. That's already acid water, and it's evaporating, and it's coming into these clouds and then going into the ocean as polluted water and just causing worse and worse problems, damaging our ecosystems, as we mentioned before. This is also affecting climate change, rising temperatures, which is causing sea levels to be rising, which is ruining beaches and coral reef life systems. So, what is ocean acidification and how does it work? Basically, what's happening is all of this pollution is running off from buildings and water runoff. It's all coming into the ocean, causing this water to be polluted and come down and damage these corals, obviously affecting these little fish here. You can see them. They're probably not having a good day there. So what have we done about this? What you can see, clearly this problem is known around the world. It's not a secret to anybody. And so what you can see is the world's actually recognized that this is a problem, and we're creating non-life binding coral reef declaration, which basically means that there's going to be efforts made around the world within factories to reduce pollution runoff into the oceans. There's also international coral reef protection, conservation, and resilience to climate change. Again, this is an international agreement. There's also a lot of research being done that is showing the damage that pollution is causing to coral reefs, and simply just educating people is helping to solve the problem. People come up with solutions. So, in conclusion, what can we do about all of this? Clearly, ocean acidification is a major problem. And honestly, the biggest thing that can be done is continue to research, continue to make improvements with waste from factories, find better solutions to this, and we'll hopefully be able to solve this problem, or at least lessen the effects of it. Thank you.
Cut.
That was so weird. I've never
Little
been so.
fishies are not
full-
having a good day.
That's bad.